to it. Trunk going crazy right now. We got it stored over here in my homie crib, cause I ain't got no garage. So he got space for it, so we putting it over here, you feel me? Since we're gonna be fixing it up slightly over here too at the same time. But we got something else over here that he got going on. It's a project car, you know what I'm saying? Fixing it up. Let's start up though. Man. What year you said this mug was, G?
84.
84. By the way, y'all already know the homie. You know. Damn. How many miles you got out here, bro?
28,000 original.
28,000? Dang! That mug start up nice. Yeah. $28,000 miles, y'all. Running. All it needs is some paint. That's it. All it needs is some paint, gang. We're gonna have them pull it out of here. You gonna pull it out?
Yeah, I'm gonna put this on the street.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna move my blue thing on the street and pull this one out here for us, y'all. Man. I like this. Now y'all tell me, y'all think I should keep what I got, or do y'all think I should go for this project over here? Like, I like it for one. You know what? I'm gonna wait till you pull it out, and then we're gonna show y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all what I like about it, and then we're gonna see what we come up with. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to put in the comments though what y'all thinking. You know what I'm saying about it. But anyways, before we even get all the way in tune and into this video, I need y'all to stop and go hit that subscribe button for me, y'all. Hit that like button, man. We almost to that 6K mark, so we can hit that. You know what I'm saying? That's mild. We already came from 50, and we're almost to 6K. So man, let's run it up. But anyways, like I was saying, I'm waiting for him to come back and pull this car out, because I'm not about to pull out this garage. So stay tuned. What the hell? Oh, snap. How the fuck did you just do that?
Definitely gonna spend some tires.
Gee, what do you do? Put it in the...
So you put it in drive.
But you hold the brake down?
Hold the brake. You just give it a little bit of gas until the tire starts.
Burn out in the old school. That shit stink. Yeah. That shit stink. Ugh.
It definitely got some power. My OG finna kill my ass. So I'm Are you gonna do shot today?
Yeah, I am, but I'm making a video right now. Man. This crazy. Gee. This mug heavy. And it drives smooth. What the fuck? This mug got some pickup? This mug drive. First of all, I ain't never been in no T-top nothing. What? Joe. Oh my God. Yo, this mug pick up. For real. They gonna see you driving and be like, man, I'll buy it from you right now. Shit. So you don't even gotta use these for nothing for real.
This just your regular shifters.
Oh, what the hell? They just got it there for show?
Just to make you look crazy.
Oh, wow. Man, this mug going. We going. Oh, shit. He gonna fuck around and get us pulled over here.
Oh, he got no plane.
Oh, snap. Damn, yeah, this mug decent. Which one y'all like better, gang? I mean, this one, of course, is a little bit more cleaner. But, which one y'all like better? Clean. Ain't too much difference so far with the Chevy, y'all. Like I said, it's gonna be on hold for a little minute because it's about to be winter time out here, and we gotta put this baby away in the garage. You know what I'm saying? But everything still look the same so far. You know what I'm saying? It's still clean, still clean, still running, still sounding good. All that. But so y'all stay tuned because we definitely gonna have some slight updates. You know what I'm saying? Anything that we can do up over here in this garage because it's too cold to really do too much. But yeah.